Hey guys, Dural here. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of this Humbirdy-Bird Feeder. Smart bird feeder. It has an app and a camera, 4K, looks like. And first things first, take the plastic off. It says Merry Christmas. I don't want to break the bend because this is going to be a gift. So, anyways. There it is. Look at that. And this is the SH66 Humbirdy 4K Ultra. It's an 8 megapixel photo and video, slow motion playback, and AI bird recognition. So recognizes up to 10,000 birds. That's amazing. So we have a little instruction manual. Comes with a nice little solar panel, which is great. Look at that. This is amazing. It's like really good quality too. I mean, even the cable is like super long, good quality. 8 megapixel camera. Can't beat that. Some installation hardware, so they include everything you need over here to install. Charging cable. Nice. What is this? A strap? Looks like a nice strap. And then we also have a bracket where this whole thing is going to go. And then let's see, take this box out. Oh, we have a antenna. Like there's a lot in this box, by the way, to unpack. Oh, there's more stuff in here. There you go. That. And there's more. There's more. And then I think we're ready to pull this off. No, not yet. Oh yeah, now we are ready to pull this off. It's just really, really well put together in here. There you go. Really well. Everything fits like a glove. And here's the bird feeder itself. For the box now. This is really good construction. Look at that. This is really well made. Antenna goes in the back over here. There it is. Antenna goes right there. Please charge here. There's a charge port. That's great. You can take this off. So let's take this off right now. This, you open and you put your food in there. Look at that. So that's where the food goes. Then you close it and you put the nut on it. So it's a nice, you tie it with your thumbs. So it's pretty nice. Don't need any special tools or anything. It's just your thumb. And like, look how cute in the side. I mean, this thing is amazing. Look at that. It's by Humbirdy in both sides. And yeah, let's see. Perfect. And here's the camera. The camera right in the middle. So they'll come, sweet. It takes a photo or a video. Super nice. Yeah, and really great. So this is gonna make a great addition to my mom's backyard. She's gonna love this, and this is her Christmas gift. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I have to install all this, and then I'll make you another video and show you guys in action and show you some the footage that we're gonna capture when the bird's coming in it. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Take care. Bye.